In this video, I will be showing you how to view recently watched videos on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and click on the URL search bar at the top. I type in YouTube and press enter to perform a search. From the search results, I select the main YouTube link to open the homepage. Once the YouTube homepage loads, I head over to the left-hand navigation panel. Here, I scroll down slightly and click on History under the U section. This takes me directly to my Watch History page, where I can see a list of my recently viewed videos organized by date, starting with today. To access a more comprehensive and detailed activity log, I move my cursor to the right panel and click on Manage All Activity. A new tab opens, bringing me to my Google YouTube History page. As I scroll down, I can review every single video I've watched, including specific timestamps and detailed activity logs, extending back through my viewing history. If I ever need to manage or clear this record, I can click the Delete drop-down menu near the top of the page, where options like Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time are available. And that is how you can easily view your recently watched videos on YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.